Are you looking for the best bathtubs? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best bathtubs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Freestanding. We love the high-end look of the Vanity Art Bordeaux acrylic freestanding bathtub, which, paired with its affordable price, offers both a stylish bathroom upgrade and great value for your money. Its versatile yet sleek shape means it'll look great in any bathroom. This freestanding bathtub comes in 3 different lengths: 54, 59, and 67 inches, so it's easy to choose a size that's roomy enough for just about anybody. We also love that it's made with acrylic, a durable material that'll ensure you enjoy a stress-free soak for years to come. This bathtub comes with an installed overflow assembly to ensure you won't accidentally flood your bathroom if you leave the faucet running. However, it's worth noting the tub is backed by just a 1-year warranty, and any hardware you may need comes at an additional cost. Dimensions: 59 x 29.5 x 23 inches. Material: acrylic type, freestanding. Number 2. Best Alcove. Kohlers_soaking Alcove bathtub has a sleek, contemporary design and comes in 8 colors. If you're looking for a tub that fits your existing alcove but want a little variety or customization, we think this is a great option. Made from durable acrylic, it's not only customizable to your personal style but also filled with extra features. You'll enjoy a slip-resistant floor, a 15.5-inch soaking depth, which is more than most alcove tubs, and molded lumbar support for comfort. We love the angle of this tub, which makes it perfect for leaning back, lounging, and relaxing while almost fully submerged. However, there is one aspect of this tub we aren't completely in love with: its fiberglass construction. It isn't made with the most durable fiberglass, and over time, it can develop wear. We prefer acrylic tubs because they're longer lasting and require less care. So, if you opt for this alcove tub, make sure you're properly caring for it to extend its lifespan. Dimensions: 60 x 32 x 22 inches. Materials: fiberglass type, alcove. Number 3. Best Soaking. If you're searching for a whole body soak, a soaking tub is ideal. Unlike typical bathtubs, which may leave you partially submerged, soaking tubs are designed to fully submerge you, and the Ove Decor's Rachel freestanding soaking bathtub is both one of the longest tubs on our list and has the deepest soaking depth at 22.75 inches. Made of durable acrylic, like many of the picks on our list, it's constructed to make maintenance easy, with increased mold resistance and improved heat retention. The slipper shape features sleek, stylish sloping lines that make any bathroom feel modern. We also like that this soaking bathtub carries an impressive 25-year limited warranty. Overflow assembly is included, but you'll need to buy the faucet separately. Just keep in mind that installing the drain can be tricky with imperfect threads, but it's a minor inconvenience. Dimensions: 70 x 34.25 x 30 inches. Materials: acrylic type, freestanding. Number 4. Best Drop-In. The Fine Fixtures drop-in soaking bathtub occupies the smallest footprint of all the tubs on our list, measuring just over 48 inches long and 32 inches wide. This makes it a great option for smaller bathrooms, but it doesn't sacrifice much in the way of soaking space. It's a drop-in bathtub, which means that it fits inside a prepared deck without a finished exterior. While you may not be able to stretch out a ton due to its shorter length, you should still be able to submerge in this small bathtub thanks to its generous 18-inch soaking depth. We also appreciate its angled side, which allows you to rest your head comfortably despite the tight squeeze. This value-packed bathtub is made from acrylic and reinforced with fiberglass, giving it a surprisingly durable construction for the price tag and size. Dimensions: 48.25 x 32.13 x 19.13 inches. Materials: acrylic type, drop-in.